Hey everyone, so I'm in TJ Maxx. So all they have right now is this Dooney that is 100. They do have Coach, but it's a behind glass. Kate Spade in the heart, like for Valentine's. No idea on that. It looks like Patricia Nash in here. Michael Kors, of course. I can't believe they're putting all the Michael Kors behind glass. And here is a white Kate Spade. I mean, this one is still around. And their jewelry. Tons of these are like costume jewelries, like $20. Look how large they are. This one is 20 as well. Gosh, so much glare. Where is the glare? Right here. And it looks like these are 17. Oh, check those out. Here's this heart one. Oh, no idea, but like that cross one in the back is $600. Holy smokes, right here. They're lab grown diamonds. I can't believe that's $600. Not even Costco. I got some chains in here. Just a few rings. Like this middle one's kind of cute, I think, with the green. Like this bracelet right here, the lab grown one, 1,600. That's crazy. It's a cute Gucci ring, is $600. It's cute. Look at the Kipling bag. This one's really different, $450. Like the little jellyfish in it. So everything here is going to be backpacks. They're like 15. Jessica, these are 10. And if you're loving the small frame, only 16. Little butterfly. Look, dragonfly. You get 16 in here. 16 for $5.99. Hello Sweetness. Oh wow. The heart-shaped one by Nicole Miller is 13. And Good Vibes Only is 5. The blush and bronzer is actually kind of cute. Cleansing oil capsules, and this is the peel pad. Okay, you get 60 in here for 22, and I do know this is a really good brand. I haven't tried it yet. Spa Studio. Oh, look at that. That is $40. Just a few robes. Calvin Klein, your animal print, 17 by 9 West. Like a little snaky vibe action. We might have seen this one, 17. These are 17. It says love in the back. Oh yeah, we just seen these in a different location, but not this Calvin Klein one. Okay, these are 40. I've never seen this one in TJ Maxx. I know a lot of people like this one, $100. I don't know how I feel about it. We have a Nautica, a few heels by Aldo, and of course Blowfish. I think I had a pair of those in high school, or maybe elementary. It's a red tag for 14. The blinged out Steve and Madden, they're here, and they're red tag for 33. Okay, just a lot of sandals today. Here's another one for 30. It's a good hiking boot. Don't stress, just hike. Just hike and chill. Those are 20. Okay, check this one out. Oh, no price on this one. For 35. Okay. 35 and 29.99. Okay, 5.99. Just a few gnomes. Oh, that's kind of cute. So I found the treat one for $30. They have the heart one in Home Goods. Dolly Parton. Dolly Parton. Those are $2.99. Was that Cocomelon? $25. These are cute too. Oop. Let's see. Beautiful, sexy, and the heart one. Oh, no price. You find out. They don't have prices on them. Are you ready for spring? I don't know. I mean, winter for us doesn't hit till like literally after Christmas because we have rain, clouds. Up north is where all the snow is. So be careful if you're driving up there. Just be careful. These are really nice for $7. Kind of like that metallic pearly effect. Look at the large notepad. These are $5. Here's the lemon one. Fierce. It's funny. And $50 for these chairs. Let me look over here. It's the furniture department. Pillows on the wall. I'm surprised there's not as much like spring decor yet. Let me look over here. And that is $29.99. I spotted some mushroom cozy gnome. I think these are 20. Yeah. Magic. The birds are cooking up some magic. Oh my gosh, you know what? I got yelled at for feeding birds in my backyard because I threw like a bread over my fence, but it didn't hit the road. It hit like across the field, and quails were eating it. And this guy was like, "Don't be feeding the birds." I'm like, "Hey, mind your business." Okay, these are kind of cool. These are 10. One's 8. And then for Valentine's, they just have a lot of gnomes. I'm just gonna skip over that. Nothing too exciting yet. This is kind of cool. For how much is this one? $8. Yeah, I was thinking that. The beaded one is $35, and we have the heart one. And of course, more gnomes. And you get 2 here for $40 by Max Studio. And this one looks like a cat. Okay, that's $15. I think these are gonna squeak. Yeah. Whoa, look at all the doggy area. That is crazy. And even over here is a toy department for dogs. Everybody must have went ham. And then for clearance, these are 12, some are 7. It's a wide leg for 16. That's kind of a fun print, I think, for work. These are 8, that sunflower one. 6, 12 for white. That's 8. It's a pull-on one. 28. Wow, that's still kind of pricey. 28. Only 13. It's another skirt for 16. This one's only 12. Okay, and $40. Let me pull this out. So it's 27. Oh, it's kind of interesting. 32. That's 8. 16. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to dig some like decent tops for work, I think. 24. And 25. That's actually kind of cute. That's 20. They're just all. So this one comes with a scarf. 20. They have red. And these pants. Now this one is by Thread and Supply for 25. Kind of like a suede cardigan. And 15 here. Is that a top? Okay, yeah. This one is 20. Looks like bodysuits. 13. I wouldn't say they're bodysuits, not swimsuit. I hope not. But they do have pink and the browns. These are nice, actually. And then each year, I feel like we always see this one. It's only 20. We have the Reebok in yellow for 20 and North Face kind of in that green, and that is 35. Love Nature. That's 15. It's a Calvin Klein windbreaker for 50. We also have a black one over there. Oh, Freddie. The Hard Rock Cafe San Francisco. Okay, that's cool. Tons of Playboy in here. AC/DC is 8. Michelangelo. I feel like we always see that. Oh, look. That's $8. They have Pulp Fiction in there. Biggie Smalls. Oh, you know what? I wonder if this one is a Hard Rock. Oh no, AC/DC. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in a TJ Maxx. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. That's kind of cute for 13. I do like these basic ones though. This one has a zipper, so that's 13 as well. The long skirt.